guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade storage in iCloud. Let's begin. So before anything else, just letting you know that for our storage in iCloud, guys, Apple actually gave us free 5 gigabytes of storage. So even if you don't need, like, you can actually use this up, like your to back up your files, your photos, your videos, even your messages. Like, it could consume your storage in iCloud. And in the event that you would actually be needing more than that, then that's the time that there are applicable fees that you just need to pay to increase your storage. But it's actually very reasonable and affordable if you want to increase that. So, say for instance, in my case, I'm a photo video kind of gal, and it that's actually the highest driver that's eating up my iCloud. So I'm gonna be showing you now on how I could upgrade if I wish to for my iCloud storage. So you go to your settings, and then when you're there, tap on the name that's showing on your Apple ID. When you tap in there, it will lead you to different options, and then you just need to choose iCloud. Once you're in iCloud, this is where it would lead you. So if you've noticed, I've already used up almost my free storage. So there's an option there that says manage account storage. Okay, so when you do manage account storage, it will lead you here. All you need to do is just to upgrade to iCloud Plus. Back in the days when iCloud Plus is not yet available, it would pretty much show you the same, just not the name of iCloud Plus, just additional or extra storage. So here in this case, you just need to choose what plan you'd like to have, if you need to increase to 50 gigabytes or to 200 gigabytes or 2 terabytes. So there's like payments in there. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.